Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to re-edit your created photos step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open ChatGPT on your mobile or computer. Now tap on the two lines at the top left corner. After that, tap on Images. Then scroll down and you can see all your created images in ChatGPT. If you want to re-edit any image, simply tap on the image you want to change. Now type your editing instructions like change background, add text or improve image quality. For example, I created this image earlier. Now I want to change the text from 12k subscribers to 13k subscribers. So I will give this instruction to ChatGPT and send it. ChatGPT will regenerate your image with the new changes using AI from OpenAI. Now you can see that the text has been successfully changed from 12k subscribers to 13k subscribers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.